Want to speak real Dutch from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at DutchPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Thomas. Hallo iedereen, ik ben Thomas. Welcome to another whiteboard lesson. In this lesson you'll learn some of the most common verbs in the Dutch language and ways to use them. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. The first verb is luisteren. Listen. Luisteren. 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 Let's move on to the second one. Kijken. Watch. Kijken. 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 Our next one is eten. Eat. Eten. 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 Drinken. Drink. Drinken. 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 Our next one is spelen. Play. Spelen. 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 Let's move on to schrijven. Tricky to pronounce. It means write. Schrijven. 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 Slapen. Sleep. Slapen. 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 Gaan. Go. Gaan. 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 Studeren. Study. Studeren. 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 And the last one is lezen. Read. Lezen. 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 Let's look at the dialogue. This is part of a conversation between two people on the phone. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the verb we just studied. Find the verb and see how it's used in the dialogue. Wat ben je aan het doen? Ik luister naar muziek. Did you find the verb? It's luisteren. Or, when in the first person form, like here, luister. As you can notice here and in the later examples, often the dictionary form of Dutch verbs ends in N, E-N. You can see that on all of these verbs. This part is then dropped to create the stem of the verb for conjugation. Usually, though, plural forms such as we, you, and they are identical to the dictionary form. Now let's look at some speaking examples. Ik kijk televisie. I am watching TV. Do you notice the verb? It is kijken, or here in the first person form, kijk. Another example. Ik eet een boterham. I am eating a sandwich. And the verb here is eten, to eat, or in the first person form, ate. An interesting thing about this sentence is the Dutch word for sandwich, boterham. It consists of a combination of the words butter and ham. Boterham. Butter, ham. Boterham. Now let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that all of our dialogues will follow. Ik, verb, object. I, verb, object. Each time we are using the first person singular. In Dutch, ik, I, followed by the corresponding verb form. In Dutch, the general description for listening to music is muziek luisteren. However, when conjugated and used in a sentence, the particle naar or to is added. Ik luister naar muziek. I am listening to music. Let's also look at the first line, the question. Wat ben je aan het doen? What are you doing? Doen means to do. As you know, English often uses the present continuous tense to indicate something that is currently happening, like the are doing in this question. In Dutch, you can often just use the present perfect tense for this, which you can see in this lesson's example sentences. Ik kijk televisie means I am watching television. The present perfect suffices to describe something that is currently happening, that you are currently doing. However, if you want to emphasize that something is actually currently happening, we use the particle aan het, plus the dictionary form of the verb, which here is doen, to do. As a sentence form, this is quite unique to the Dutch language. You probably noticed me using it quite a lot in the Dutch core words lesson. Wat ben je aan het doen? What are you doing? Please do your best to use the following wording. Do you remember how to say music? Muziek. Muziek. And how to say listening? Luisteren. Luisteren. Do you remember how to say I am listening to music? Ik luister naar muziek. Ik luister naar muziek. And how to say watching? Kijken. Kijken. Do you remember how to say eating? Eten. Eten. And how to say drinking? Drinken. Drinken. Do you remember how to say playing? Spelen. Spelen. And how to say writing? Schrijven. Schrijven. Do you remember how to say sleeping? Slapen. Slapen. And how to say going? Gaan. Gaan. Do you remember how to say studying? Studeren. Studeren. And how to say reading? Lezen. Lezen. In this lesson, you learned some of the most common verbs and their uses in Dutch. Thanks for watching. I'm Thomas, and I'll see you on DutchPod101.com. Tot ziens!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.